Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix game bar for your Windows PC for Windows 10 and Windows 11 if it's not properly recording. So let's get started and see how you can fix it. So the first thing that we have to do is to go to Start, and here we're gonna go to Settings, and then we're gonna click here on Gaming, and make sure here game bar is enabled and turned on, and click here on this button to enable it. And here we can see the shortcuts to enable in the game. So when you launch the game in full screen, you just press this Windows plus Alt plus R, and it should start recording and stop recording if you press again. Here is how you can take screenshots and all that stuff. So there's the shortcuts. Now if that still doesn't work, then we go to Start, and here we're gonna type GP. Here we're gonna type GP edit, and we're gonna click on this one on edit group policy. Here we're gonna click on administrative templates, and then we're gonna click on Windows components. So we have to be careful and look. Here it is, Windows game bar and broadcasting. So we're gonna double click on it, and then we're gonna click here on this enable or disables Windows game recording broadcasting. So make sure here it's from not configured for you, it's here. Make sure you put it on enable and click on apply and OK, or you can just click OK, and that's pretty much it. Now it should be enabled, so that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.